Crude oil is a valuable natural resource formed millions of years ago due to extreme pressure and heat acting on buried organic matter deep inside the earth. And today, it is considered the foundation of the world's energy supply. The search for this oil is an extremely complex scientific process in which experts carefully analyze earth layers, rock formations, and geological structures to identify possible underground reserves. In modern times, seismic survey technology is used, in which waves are sent into the earth and the reflected signals are studied to create a detailed underground map. The data from these waves is processed through computers to determine where there is a higher chance of oil deposits being present. When a location shows strong potential for oil, drilling rigs are installed there, which have the capability to dig thousands of meters deep into the earth. The drilling process is carried out with extreme care, because the earth consists of multiple layers, and any mistake can create serious risks. If oil exists underground, it either comes up naturally due to pressure, or is extracted using pumping systems. The crude oil that reaches the surface cannot be used directly because it contains water, gas, and various unwanted impurities. Therefore, it is first sent to separation plants, where different machines separate oil, water, and gas from each other. After purification, the crude oil is stored in large storage tanks so it can be prepared for further transportation. In these storage tanks, oil is kept under controlled temperature and pressure to maintain its quality. After this, the process of transporting crude oil to the refinery begins, which is one of the most important stages of the entire system. Pipelines are considered the most widely used and safest method for transporting oil, providing a continuous flow. In addition, large oil tanker ships are also used, which carry oil across sea routes from one country to another. In some areas, heavy trucks are used to transport oil over short distances to refineries. When crude oil reaches the refinery, its most important industrial process begins, in which it is separated into different parts. First, the oil is heated to extremely high temperatures so that its different components can separate. This process is called fractional distillation, in which each component separates at its specific temperature. Light components rise upward and turn into gas and petrol, while heavier components settle at the bottom. The components that settle at the bottom are converted into diesel, fuel oil, and other industrial products. Each produced fuel is further refined to remove harmful elements present in it. Sulfur and other pollution-causing elements are removed through special processing techniques. After this, the finished petrol is stored in large storage tanks. In these tanks, the quality of petrol is continuously checked to ensure that standards are maintained. Then the distribution process begins, through which petrol is delivered to different areas. Petrol is loaded into specially designed sealed tanker trucks so that there is no leakage or loss. These trucks are built with strong and highly secure designs to safely carry hazardous materials. Each truck is equipped with a GPS tracking system so that every movement can be monitored. On the way, these trucks are operated under strict safety rules because they carry highly flammable fuel. In case of any emergency, these trucks are equipped with safety tools and emergency systems. These trucks deliver fuel to petrol pumps located in different cities and villages. Petrol pumps already have large underground storage tanks installed where this fuel is transferred. Fuel is carefully unloaded from tanker trucks into these tanks to ensure there is no leakage. At every stage, quantity and quality are fully checked to avoid any error. The petrol pump staff monitors the entire process and keeps a complete record of everything. After this, the same petrol is used in cars and motorcycles in daily life. This fuel is the backbone of the transportation system that runs the global economy. Without it, factories, vehicles, and industries would stop working because it is the primary energy source. The oil industry involves millions of people working at different stages to keep the system running continuously. Engineers, technicians, drivers, and laborers are all part of this complex network. Every stage is connected to another, and a fault in one part can affect the whole system. Modern technology has made this entire process more safe and efficient. Computerized systems constantly monitor oil quantity and quality. Automated machines in refineries reduce the chances of human error. Globally, the demand for oil continues to rise, which is why its production remains ongoing. Every country depends on this system to meet its energy needs. Oil is not only an energy source, but also the foundation of the chemical industry. This system connects underground natural resources with human development. The journey of crude oil starts deep inside the earth and reaches our daily lives. In the end, this oil powers our vehicles, runs industries, and keeps the entire world moving. If you enjoyed our video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Matrixor, so you can keep getting more amazing and informative videos like this.